So a lot is happening in the world right now, but Salima, do you think something has gone missing in all of the headlines?
Are you hinting at Epstein file?
I am exactly hinting at Epstein files
Yeah,
because
because I thought the same.
Jeffrey Epstein file.
Jeffrey Epstein.
where has that topic gone? We are not discussing the subject anymore.
I think US was waiting for Olympics to end. This is what I
Likely,
believe.
yeah.
Because they were eyeing for gold, they were financially invested. So I think that was the perfect time. They wanted the event scandal free.
You think that US has had too many interests vested in the Olympics?
Definitely.
Exactly.
So they were waiting for it. They wanted it scandal free. It's ended. Here the US is, and like we all know what's happening.
Yep. And also there's like this notion which I think that they also staged an intervention in Venezuela last month.
Yes, that was the step one.
There was a step one because they seized the means of oil, Venezuela, US, and now they can destabilize Middle East, and their oil resources would not be in trouble.
Yes,
because they have seized the oil. We're back to square one. We're back to US saying that we are saving
yes.
the people. That the people.
I think it's history repeating itself.
It's history
the same
repeating
pattern.
itself.
It's the same pattern, and again the file, the top. Even where is royal family? Where is royal family issue? Where is Andrew issue? It's gone from the headlines.
Andrew was arrested. He was released in the middle of all of this, and now there is no mention of it. Also, the royal family itself is not doing a lot of public engagements for a long time.
I think it was a pre-planned event. It was a pre-planned strategy which is happening right now, and people are confused at what's happening. But for me, because if it had to happen, it might have happened long time ago. But now, why now?
It's a very strategic plan right now. It's a very strategic strike that they have.
Unfortunately, but yes, that's true.
Speaking of the strike, they said that it was a preemptive decision. So basically, what US has said, it's a precaution. It's a precautionary measure.
Maria, just let's just pause and just think and just recall, was there a threat?
There was no threat because literally, what do you chalk it up to?
Yes.
Why would US attack right now?
This was such an unnecessary measure.
Especially since the Supreme Leader has been killed. So if that was the objective, to eliminate the Supreme Leader, and if that has been achieved, then obviously US, like logically, US should backpedal.
Yes.
US should,
but unfortunately, readers, they don't play with logic,
and neither does the US. Conveniently, US does what it wants to do.
So I think we are back to square one. That is it all to cover up the Epstein file.
Exactly. Also, there are theories propping up that the elites of the world, US, they're also tying up loose ends because certain billionaires, certain elites are turning up dead.
Very famous faces are behind it.
Turning up dead, turning up killed. In the background of this war, the war is now in the foreground. They are actively, I think, covering up the whole scandal.
Yes.
And very conveniently, Congress, which is, their opposition, Donald Trump's opposition, is not releasing any more emails either. Very conveniently. So that has disappeared from the foreground of the news.
So it's not a hint anymore. I think we believe that it's all a propaganda to cover up the file.
So obviously this debate is never ending, but whatever contribution you have, please let us know in the comments. We would love to hear what you have to say about the disappearance of the Epstein scandal.